Good morning, student. Now, it's the same topic, ellipse. Conic section में there are third topic, that is the ellipse. And first thing, what are the standard form of the ellipse? Then the standard form of the ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. This is the equation of ellipse in a standard form. What are the shape of the ellipse? That is oval shape. This is the shape of ellipse. And there are two axes. One is the A dash is called major axis and B dash is called minor axis. This is O is the center of the ellipse. It's 0, 0. That is the standard form. You know, student, A dash, what are the vertices of A dash? A, 0 and minus A, 0. This is the vertices of the ellipse on major axis. And 0, B and 0, minus B. This is the vertices of minor axis. Now look here, equation of the ellipse. Then this is there are two axes. Now length of major axis is 2a, length of minor axis is 2b, and now then question number 13. Now yesterday I have discussed 1 to 12 question, but now today then question number 13, and of the major axis and of the minor axis are given. You know, student, and of the major axis is given plus minus 3, 0, and end of the minor axis, and that means the vertices are given, vertices of minor axis, vertices of major axis. So, and find the equation of the ellipse. Student, आपको याद होगा equation of the ellipse find करने के लिए about two things, A and B. Right? So, now look here, a first thing, and of the major axis, that means what is the end of the major axis of plus minus A, 0. So, what are the value of A is 3, right, plus minus 3, and what is the value of B is a plus minus 2. When A and B is given, and now the A is greater than B, A is a 3, B is a 2, then A is greater than B. That means which ellipse? There are two forms of the ellipse. First form, when A is greater than B, then equation of the ellipse x square upon A square plus y square upon B square equals to 1. But now the second form of the ellipse, when A is less than B, that means x square upon B square plus y square upon A square equals to 1, which this question is greater than B. Let equation of the ellipse x square upon A square plus y square upon B square equals to 1. Then x square upon A square, where A is a 3, then is the square of 3 is 9. Y square upon B square, that B is a 2, the square of 2 is 4. This is the equation of ellipse, right? Same, question number 14 is the same, and of the major axis is given, and of the minor axis, but this is the second form. Right, when x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. Now the 15 question, 13 and 14 are same. Question number 15, length of major axis is 26. Now the given length of major axis, length of major axis is 26, and coordinate of foci are given plus minus 5, 0. 14 and 15 are same, length of major axis and coordinate of foci are given. Student, एक ellipse का equation find करना, there are two things A and B. So first thing, length of major axis is given. You know, student, length of major axis is 2A, and 2A equals to 26, that is A equals to 12. Sorry, 13. This is length of major axis. A dash is called length of major axis is 2A, and B dash is the length of minor axis, that is 2B, right? And now coordinate of foci is given plus minus 5, 0. और आपको मालूम है ellipse में coordinate of foci, this is S and S dash. Now this is the coordinate of foci is a C, 0, and this is minus C, 0. So now look, here is a plus minus C, 0. What are the value of C? C is a 5. Now find A, right, or एक formula है C square equals to A square minus B square. You know, student, A square, that is 13, and square of 13 is 169 and b is a 5. Square of 5 is 25. So that is a 144. Then c square is a 144. C equals to plus minus 12. Sorry, now given is a c. Now substitute. Then is the value of c is given, right? B find karna tha. This is mistake. Then b square as it is. And now c is a 5. Is square of 5 is 25. Then is a square of 5 is 25 equals to 169 minus b square. Then b square equals to 169 minus 25. So then b square equals to 144. Then b equals to plus minus 12. A is 13, b is 12, right? A is greater than b. So now let equation of the ellipse, this is the first form, then x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. X square upon e is a 13, then square of 13 is a 169 plus y square upon b square, b is a 12, then square of 12 is a 144 equals to 1. This is answer. So student, question number 15 and 16 are same. Now the next question, question number 17. Foci and given and a is given. Foci is a plus minus 3 comma 0. Question number 17, coordinate of foci is given plus minus 3 comma 0. Right student, coordinate of foci is given and the value of a is given. A is a 4. तो इज अगेन सेम कि आपके पास में a गिवन है फोकाई प्लस माइनस c कॉमा 0, दैट मीन्स c इक्वल्स टू 3 है. आपके पास a है, c है, आप b फाइंड कर सकते हो. सेम फार्मूला c स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, राइट. अगर आप c फाइंड करते हो c स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स इज a इज अ 4 स्क्वायर ऑफ 4 minus b square as it is and c is a square of 3. That means is a b square equals to square of 4 16 minus 9. So what are the value of b square? 16 minus 9 is 7. Then b equals to plus minus root 7. आपके पास b की वैल्यू root 7 की वैल्यू that means 2 point something, right? और then a is a 3, a is a 4 is again case first, then a is greater than b. So let the equation of ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Let the equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, where a is a 4 and square of 4 is a 16. Right, and b is square is 7 equals to 1, right. Same question number 18. Now question number 18 is find the equation of the ellipse, and now is the value of find the equation of the ellipse. 17 में b is given, c is given and center at origin. You know student, both are standard form, then center is always same, is 0 comma 0. Then question number 18, now b value of b is 3 and value of c is a 4. Center at origin, that means 0 comma 0. And foci on x-axis, you know student, foci on x-axis, that means the first ellipse, right. b given is, c given है. Now find a. Now is the formula of c square equals to a square minus b square. Then c is a given 4 square of 4 16. A is square as it is. Now b is given 3, square of 3 is 9. Then what are the a square? A square equals to, that is c square, c की value 4, b is given, c is given. b is 3 and c is 4, square of 4 16, right. Then now find a. So a square, then 16 plus 9. So a square is 25, then a equals to plus minus 5. then A is a 5 and B is a 3 is the again first ellipse. So let the equation of ellipse, let the equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Then a is a 5, that is 25, and y square upon b square is 3, square of 3 is 9 equals to 1. This is answer. Then question number 19 and 17 both are same. 19 and 17 both are same. Question number 19 is center is 0, 0. Center is given 0, 0. Right? And major axis on the y-axis. You know student, major axis on the y-axis, that is the second ellipse. Major axis on the y-axis and passes through the point 3, 2. Now the given 2 points, A is a 3, 2, B is a 1, 6. क्या आपको ellipse का equation find करना है, but वो ellipse 2 points से pass हो रहा है. तो now look here. First thing, let equation of the ellipse. Equation of the ellipse. Which ellipse? First form या second form? क्वेश्चन में क्लियर लिखा हुआ है मेजर एक्सिस ऑन वाई एक्सिस. इसको जहाँ क्वेश्चन में लिख दिया मेजर एक्सिस ऑन वाई एक्सिस, दैट मीन्स सेकेंड इलिप्स. मेजर एक्सिस अगर एक्स एक्सिस पे है दैट इज द फर्स्ट इलिप्स, बट दिस मेजर एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस. नाउ द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द इलिप्स, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर plus y square upon a square equals to 1. This is equation first. And now this ellipse passes through the point, first point जिससे pass हो रहा है, that is a 3, 2. Then now substitute x is 3, y is 2, that is the 9 upon b square plus 4 upon a square equals to 1. This is equation second. But it's the same ellipse. Now the passage is the another point. And which point? That is the another point is 1, 6. So now equation first passes through the another point 1, 6. That means is the x is 1 upon b square plus square of 6 is a 36 upon b square equals to 1. This is equation third. Solving second and third and find a and b, right? So now equation first is multiplied by 9, right? So then 9 4 is 36. Now solving by elimination method, solving second and third. Then equation second is multiplied by 9, 9 is 81 upon b square, 9 4 is 36 upon a square equals to 9. And now second is a third equation is a 1 upon b square plus 36 upon a square, and then equals to 1. Now subtract sign change, these are cancelled. 81 minus 1, that is 80 upon b square equals to 9 minus 1 is 8. Then b square equals to 80 upon 8. That means b square equals to 10. Now substitute the value of b square in first, in second and third. Right? b square की value अगर आप 10 यहाँ रखते हो, that is a 1 by 10, then transfer. Right? Substitute third, 36 upon a square. Now substitute the value of b square in equation third, yeah, otherwise in equation second. Then substitute third, that is the 1 upon b square is 10 plus 36 upon a square equals to 1. Then 36 upon a square equals to 1 minus 1 by 10. That is a 36 upon a square equals to 10 minus 1 is a 9. Then 9 4 is 36. So what is the a square? That is a 40. Cross multiply, right? Right, a square is a 40, b square is a 10. Now substitute in equation first, that is answer. X square upon b square is a 10, x square upon 10 plus y square upon 40 equals to 1. So student, please solve exercise 11.3, right, is complete, right. Ellipse में any problem, so please contact me, right. Thank you.